The product selection tool allows the user to choose the appropriate cable tray system based on the specified load, distance between supports, and cable fill. The user enters the load per 1 meter of the tray, selecting the appropriate unit, kilonewtons or kilograms. Next, the user defines the distance between consecutive support points in meters. The following step is to define the cable fill for the tray to be selected. The user can specify up to 4 different cable diameters and the number of cables for each diameter. In this step, there are 2 additional fields. Fill reserve, which determines the percentage of free space the selected cable tray should have after placing the defined cables. Fill correction, which accounts for empty spaces between round cables. By default, this is set to 17%. The final step before selecting the cable tray is to specify the type of tray to search for. For example, if only metal cable trays are to be selected, other options should be deselected. After pressing the product selection button, all products meeting the specified criteria are displayed. For each width of the displayed products, information is shown regarding the usable cross-section and the percentage fill with the previously defined cables. Once a specific product type is selected, an interactive strength chart appears. The user can choose between 2 load units, kilonewtons per meter and kilograms per meter. Additionally, a deflection chart and load charts for other sheet metal thicknesses can be activated. By moving the cursor across the chart, the user can read the safe load value left vertical axis. For the specified support spacing, horizontal axis, as well as the deflection value right vertical axis. Furthermore, related products compatible with the selected cable tray are displayed at the bottom of the page. Each product can be added to a bill of materials, allowing the user to generate a detailed product specification for the given project.